Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to another video. In this video, I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme fear versus love. Fear and love are two attitudes that can bring negative and positive consequences, respectively. Fear is not a fleeting emotion. Often it shapes how you think, decide, and act without you being fully aware of. Fear arises at the perception of a threat, whether real or imagined. Psychologically, fear can increase negative thinking, self doubt, and unwanted rumination, leading to decision paralysis and avoiding situations of discomfort. Behaviorally, fear can cause avoidance behaviors that make you turn down promotions, skip social events, and stall creative projects. Fear can lead to people pleasing as you dread disapproval, in the process, eroding your authenticity as a human person. Physically, fear activates your stress hormones, leading to the weakening of your immune system, causing disruption of sleep, headaches, muscle pain, gastrointestinal issues, and diminishing of heart rate variability that in turn can increase the risk of cardiovascular problems. Thus, the need for learning to deal with fear so as to mitigate its adverse consequences. Love, on the other hand, acts as a buffer against stress, anxiety, and loneliness. When you feel loved by your family, friends, or a partner, your brain releases happy chemicals that deepen your joy and strengthen your emotional resilience. Love given as well as received can help you to confront your vulnerabilities, leading to patience, empathy, and self awareness, thereby sharpen your emotional intelligence and deepen your capacity for self reflection. Similarly, acts of love, whether small or great, forge stronger bonds within families and communities, leading into building richer social networks that provide practical help, shared values, and a sense of belonging. Genuine love also can help you to navigate challenges in relationships by clarifying misunderstanding, establishing healthy boundaries, practicing forgiveness, and rebuilding trust, thereby providing opportunity to grow stronger in relationships and learning to be more compassionate. Physically, being supportive and feeling connected can reduce tensions, lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, stronger immune responses, adding years to your life. Hence, shun fear and embrace love so as to be happy and fruitful in your life. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.